Good baby. How do you walk on the bridge? Show your mommy. How do you walk on the bridge? You can do it. Keep going. Show mommy how you walk on the bridge. Are you scared? Mickey. Mickey, come back up. Are you scared of the bridge? Show mommy how you walk on the bridge. You scared? I know you can do it. You've done it before. Show mommy how you walk on the bridge. Good boy! Good baby! You made it across the bridge! Good boy! You smell something nice? Now he has to pee, of course, and continue on his walk.